And you know that there is this person known as Fanon, and Frantz Fanon has talked a lot about national consciousness in context of decolonization. And you also know that he has also talked a lot about psychoanalysis. And he was a philosopher, a literary person, a psychiatrist, and a Marxist from the French colony. And his works have become influential in the fields of post colonial studies, critical theory, and Marxism. As well as being an intellectual, Fanon was a political radical, pan Africanist, and Marxist humanist concerned with the psychopathology of colonization and human social and cultural consequences of decolonization. So he has always talked about decolonization, and because he was a Marxist also, so obviously he will talk about the bourgeoisie and working class people. And in this video particularly, we will be talking about the national consciousness. And what is national consciousness? आपके जहन में क्या आता है when you read the word national consciousness? If we do not talk about the Fanon's view right now, so what is national consciousness? It is what is, consciousness, and what is national. It means that you are aware of who you are as a nation, right? So this is national consciousness. But for example, if I am a Pakistani, so what is my national consciousness? Being Pakistani, the whole core of Pakistaniness, my identity, my religion, my language, my culture, my dress code. So Fanon has talked about national consciousness in context of decolonization. He was also a Marxist, so of course he is talking about national consciousness in context of how important it is and what loopholes it has. It is very important to have this idea or notion of national consciousness, and it is rooted in psychiatry also, because he is also a psychiatrist. So it is very interesting to read his talks about national consciousness. I have read this whole book, The Wretched of the Earth. You should also read it because it is one of the most important uh, writings in context of Marxist and post-colonial studies. So, if we talk about The Wretched of the Earth, so The Wretched of the Earth is a 1961 book by philosopher Frantz Fanon, in which the authors provide a psychoanalysis of dehumanizing effects of the colonization upon the individual and the nation, and discusses the broader social, cultural, and political implications of establishing a social movement for a decolonization of a person and of a people. French language title derives from the opening lyrics of the Internationale, which is reflected in English title as well. So first of all, he's talked about introduction. He's talked about what is national consciousness. That is, he introduced the concept of national consciousness in the very first chapter of The Wretched of the Earth, and that very first chapter is named as On Violence. And Fanon defines national consciousness as the shared identity formed during decolonization, rooted in the struggle for freedom and collective cultural expression. I hope you all are getting this concept. Why? Because yes, the whole core of the national consciousness has come in its explicit form after the colonization. For example, Africans were talking about the whole movement of negritude and difference, how we are different. They were desperate about breaking the stereotypes and lies that were spread that were there by colonized people and administration. Uh, So what they did was that there is this movement of negritude, and then they started writing in English to counter. They produced counter discourses. For example, Chinua Achebe produced Things Fall Apart as a counter discursive narrative of image of Africa presented by Conrad in his Heart of Darkness. So what was happening was there was this national consciousness arising that we are a different nation. We are different, we are not what we have been described. For example, Edward Said has talked about it in the form of Orientalism. He has also counter narrated the ideas presented by the West, the colonizers, about the colonized the East. And he called the whole process of making an image out of the East or the third world countries, and presenting a reality that is not a reality. And he gave this concept known as Orientalism, that this whole process of creating and shaping an image of countries that were under colonization via the narrative of the whites, and he called this whole concept Orientalism. So this whole counter discourse was result of national consciousness, that people were becoming aware that we are different nations.